Chris and I just got in from Nashville, where we had a short two night, 1 day, full day stay. But we made the best of it. As you can see, we snuck our drone into the area around the Tennessee Titans Stadium and got some pretty amazing footage of the stadium and the downtown area. You know, you want to try to make the most out of every stop, and on our mission to hit as many areas, as many small towns as possible, and check in with the local food banks. We see a lot of towns, and so Nashville, we did some grocery shopping and checked out the downtown area. But now we're in Kentucky at the Kentucky Horse Farm, and here Chris and I taking a little walk, and we'll tell you all about it. Hey guys, it's Tony and Chris with Rolling Help, and in case you haven't caught any of our previous videos, we are full-time RVers. We've been traveling the country over the last little over 2 months, and we've covered over 6,000 miles and I don't know how many campgrounds, but we wanted to talk to you a little bit about the difference in campgrounds. So right now we are actually at a state park. So Chris, why don't you tell us a little bit about this park?
It is right adjacent to the Kentucky Horse Park, which is a stone throw away from where we're at. And this place is amazing. I mean, it has all the amenities. It is clean. There is pools and tennis courts and volleyball and activities for everyone, really. And the people here are nice. Now there's a dumping station, but there is no sewer hookup, so it's just electrical and water.
Yeah. So what's interesting is that we just came from a KOA outside of Nashville, and it's what you would call we've been calling a pit stop RV campground. So as you can see, it's nestled up between a freeway and some commercial locations. So it's a place that you use when you're getting from A to B, but a completely different environment than what we have here. So and we've stayed in other state park campgrounds that have been kind of run down and not have much in the way of amenities, but this place is loaded up. So I think Chris is hoping to go horseback riding later on.
I know. It's like when in Rome, you know. But here we are in Kentucky, and of course, gotta visit the horses.
Yep. So there's, as she said, there's a great swimming pool here, but it's also the campground itself. I'm sure that there's 200 plus RV sites at this place. Everything is really well manicured. The spots are a little tight, and as Chris said, they only have electrical and water, no sewer. But you know, you can easily dump out when you're leaving. The place is packed, but for good reason. It's just an amazing spot. So I guess the moral of the story here is you don't always get what you pay for. Sometimes you get a lot more. The rates here are really reasonable, whereas we've been at places that are quite a bit more expensive and don't have anything close to the ambiance that this place does. So,
oh yeah, this place is wonderful.
Yep.
I'm glad we were able to stop here.
Yeah, and I can't wait to see you on a horse. So, when in Kentucky, we strongly recommend that you stop into the Kentucky State Park, known as the Kentucky Horse Farm.